Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Pomni out of Lego. I decided to build Pomni in the first place ever since I watched the amazing digital circus and realized how amazing of a show it really is, which is why I built Pomni out of Lego so you too can build it. On to my main point. I've recently noticed that I have not been getting a lot of subscribers. It's not that much compared to the content which I make, especially the high quality Legos, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and share this video with your friends and told them to also subscribe, because it's important for me to get subscribers since I don't have so many. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that is complete, let's go ahead and assemble Pomni out of Legos. Let's take the torso and the leg with the red boot. We put it on the right side. Now let's take a look at the other leg with the blue boot and put it on the left side, like so. So now Pomni can stand, or what is Pomni right now? Anyways, we take the arm with the red glove and we place it on the left side like this. We take the arm with the blue glove and we put it on the right side. Now I take the head and attach it to the simple joint right here, and now we have Pomni. She has a super cool hat, which I really like because it curves down on the bottom with the bells, and I also really like how it looks so accurate to the real life, as in the show version. But my favorite part is how I use Mixel eyes. I've never used them before, and I hope you guys have some of those lying around, but you can use some other replacement bricks to replace those eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed it very much, and I'd really much enjoy it as well if you subscribe and share this video with your friends, as well as get this video to a good amount of views because I really put a lot of work in this video. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.